If you're looking for where to watch the USA versus Paraguay match in the 2026 FIFA World Cup, this video is for you because I'm going to show you exactly where you can watch it. Whether you're in the United States, Paraguay, or anywhere else in the world, the USA versus Paraguay match takes place on June 12th, 2026, and it promises to be one of the most exciting matches of the group stage. So let's see where you can watch it. If you're in the United States, you can watch the match on Fox Sports FS1, Fox 1, Telemundo Fubo TV, YouTube TV, and Hulu. If you're in Paraguay, you have several options. Paraguay national team matches will be available on Gen TV Unicanal, and for viewers looking for more complete coverage, also on Tigo Sports and the Tigo Sports app, which provides access to the entire tournament for subscribers. If you're in Argentina, you can watch it on Telefe. If you're in Colombia, common options include Caracol TV, RCN. If you're in Mexico, you can watch it on Canal 5, TV Azteca, and their official apps. If you're in Spain, you can follow the match on RTVE and other sports platforms with broadcasting rights in the country. You can also use FIFA Plus to check statistics, highlights, match updates, and exclusive World Cup content. The most important thing is to always use official platforms so you can enjoy the match in the best possible quality without interruptions and completely legally. Now tell me in the comments which country you'll be watching USA versus Paraguay from, and I'll tell you exactly which channel or platform is broadcasting it in your region, because honestly nobody wants to miss a World Cup match.